Numerical control. A is a method for controlling the operation of a machine by means of a set of instructions. B applies only to milling machines. C is a method for producing an exact number of parts per hour. D all of the above. The correct answer is a method for controlling the operation of a machine by means of a set of instructions. A flip-flop. A is a combinational logic device. B is a sequential logic device. C remembers what was previously stored in it. D, A and C. The correct answer is A and C. A technique for displaying applications where complex 3D geometric are required for the exterior shell of a product is called A. Solid modeling, B. 2D modeling, C. 3D modeling, D. Surface modeling. The correct answer is surface modeling. The user communicates directly with the computer through its peripheral devices is known as A. Online processing, B. Remote terminal processing, C. Batch mode processing, D. Intelligent terminal processing. The correct answer is online processing. A semi-continuous operation means the operation is continuous each shift but stops between shifts. B. Coffee breaks are allowed for the operator. C. A computer is a required part of the machine. D. Each operation in a sequence is continuous but subsequent operations in the sequence may be different. The correct answer is each operation in a sequence is continuous but subsequent operations in the sequence may be different. A servo-controlled robot. A. Stop only at fixed points on each axis. B. Can accelerate. C. Must be hydraulically driven. D. Must be electrically driven. The correct answer is can accelerate. An aneroid barometer. A. Is very unreliable. B. Can measure only atmospheric pressure. C. Measures pressure by sensing deflection of an evacuated chambers. D. Can be used to measure gas or liquid flow rates. The correct answer is measures pressure by sensing deflection of an evacuated chambers. Which of the following represents a conditional branching instruction? A. BGT loops. B. Go to 50. C. X5Y. D. JMP motor. The correct answer is BGT loops. The electronic component that has been the key to recent developments in automation is the A. Improved vacuum tube, B. Integrated circuit, C. Diode, D. Transistor. The correct answer is integrated circuit. Which of the following is considered a high-level language? A. Machine language, B. Fortran, C. Assembly language, D. All of the above. The correct answer is Fortran. Pressure sensors. A. Use the piezoresistive effect in strain gauge sensors. B. Use an aneroid chamber with a variable resistance output. C. Use capacitive variations to sense pressure. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Flexible manufacturing allows for A. Factory management, B. Automated design, C. Tool design and tool production, D. Quick and inexpensive product changes. The correct answer is quick and inexpensive product changes. 3 different aspects of color are used to define specific colors. They are hue, saturation and A. Metamer, B. Value, C. Grayscale, D. Shading. The correct answer is value. A way to transfer programs to a central system is A. By setting bit switches on the central CPU, B. To copy the program into PROMs and install the PROMs in the system, C. To develop the program on the actual system only, D. All of the above. The correct answer is to copy the program into PROMs and install the PROMs in the system. The device that assembles groups of characters into complete messages prior to their entering the CPU is called A compiler, B an interpreter, C a communications processor, D an editor. The correct answer is a communications processor. Which industry is the leading user of robots? A chemical industry, B automobile industry, C electronic industry, D shipping industry. The correct answer is automobile industry. What two methods are available to build electronic continuous control? A analog and mechanical, B pneumatic and analog, C analog and digital, D all of the above. The correct answer is analog and digital. If the transient response of a system is overdamped, the value of the output exceeds the value of the input at times during the transient period. B. The value of the output never exceeds the value of the input during the transient period. C. The value of the output never stabilizes. D. All of the above. The correct answer is the value of the output never exceeds the value of the input during the transient period. Resolution in a CRT refers to the speed at which the monitor can accept data from the computer. B. The number of phosphor dots that react when hit by the electron beam. C. The number of addressable elements on the tube. D. The number of pixels in each square centimeter. The correct answer is the number of addressable elements on the tube. Actuators are used to A. Sense an object, B. Activate a chemical, C. Make a mechanical movement, D. All of the above. The correct answer is make a mechanical movement. If the period of a sine wave is 0.001 second, the frequency of the sine wave is A. 0.001 Hz, B. 1,000 Hz, C. 10,000 Hz, D. 10 Hz. The correct answer is 1,000 Hz. Software is A. Printer output, B. A set of instructions, C. Tape input, D. A programming language. The correct answer is a set of instructions. Which item best describes a CAM technology? A. Numerical control, B. Drafting, C. Documentation, D. Geometric modeling. The correct answer is numerical control. The linking of PCs with a communications system is referred to as A. Workstations, B. Streaming, C. Turnkey systems, D. Networking. The correct answer is networking. Two of the major processing languages are PROLOG and A. Lisp, B. COBOL, C. BASIC, D. Pascal. The correct answer is Lisp. Vision sensors. A. Will remain very costly, B. Cannot improve much in the next decade, C. Will more closely match the capabilities of the human eye, D. All of the above. The correct answer is will more closely match the capabilities of the human eye. A disadvantage of numerical control NC is A. The computer is not reliable, B. The tape and tape reader are not reliable, C. One operator is needed for each machine, D. The machine tool can easily overheat. The correct answer is the tape and tape reader are not reliable. Digitizers can be converted from dumb to smart through the addition of A. Microprocessor, B. An electromagnetic coupling, C. Keyboard, D. A scanner. The correct answer is a microprocessor. Over the last 10 years, productivity has risen most rapidly in A. Italy, B. Japan, C. France, D. United States. The correct answer is Japan. The difference between a high technology and a medium technology robot is the A. Speed of movement, B. Range of motion of the robot, C. Accuracy of the robot, D. Complexity of the task it can perform. The correct answer is complexity of the task it can perform. The output of a thermocouple is A. A capacitance, B. A resistance, C. A current, D. A voltage. The correct answer is a voltage. Compared to humans, machines A can make more complex decisions based on unexpected circumstances. B can work in harsher environments. C make fewer errors. D. A and C. The correct answer is A and C. A solenoid A can be used only in DC circuits. B is spring operated. C is widely used in industrial automation. D is related to an aneroid. The correct answer is widely used in industrial automation. Most industrial control applications A can be solved using more than one method of control. B can be done more reliably using solid-state methods. C must have the process specified correctly to be successful. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. When was the first successful industrial robot installed in the General Motors plant in USA? A. 1960. B. 1961. C. 1963. D. 1967. The correct answer is 1961. The physical arrangement of equipment in a network is called A. Topology, B. Pairing, C. Queuing, D. Logic. The correct answer is topology. The computer graphics system called SKETCHPAD was demonstrated at A. Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 1963. B. Imperial College of Science and Technology, London 1973. C. University of Aston, Birmingham 1960. D. Cranfield Institute of Technology, London 1962. The correct answer is Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 1963. The new industrial revolution has been caused by A. Social unrest, B. Advances in electronics, C. The Vietnam War, D. Demand for higher wages. The correct answer is advances in electronics. Straight line operations A must be limited to 2 per workpiece. B must be parallel to one of the axes of the coordinate system. C can include diagonal cuts if they aren't curved. D. All of the above. The correct answer is must be parallel to one of the axes of the coordinate system. The workspace required for a robot A is less than that of a human performing the same task. B depends upon the robot used. C is not dependent on the application. D must be enclosed by a fence. The correct answer is depends upon the robot used. In pen plotters, resolution refers to the shortest possible line, but in electrostatic plotters it refers to A. the number of dots per inch, B. the speed per inch, C. dual axis tracking, D. how accurately the plotter returns to a specific point. The correct answer is the number of dots per inch. A common database is one requisite for converting CAD and CAM to CIM. Another is that A. the system must make provision for new techniques. B. there should be a common 3D part description system. C. the user must have access to both hardware and software. D. technical assistance must be provided to the user. The correct answer is there should be a common 3D part description system. Sensors A. are easily developed. B. probably will not improve over the next decade. C. are not important in automation. D. Will be much smarter and more sophisticated in the future. The correct answer is will be much smarter and more sophisticated in the future. Which of the following devices could be part of a sensor? A. Thermometer. B. Brake. C. Relay. D. Clutch. The correct answer is thermometer. In general, American buyers will purchase goods A. that offer the best quality for the least money. B. that are made in America even at higher costs. C. without regard to country of manufacturer. D. A and C. The correct answer is A and C. The reliability life cycle of a product. A. has 3 distinct rates of failure. B. cannot be predicted. C. all of the above. D. stays constant with environmental conditions. The correct answer is has 3 distinct rates of failure. Robots consist of 3 basic components: power supply, control memory console, and A. coaxial cable. B. microcomputer. C. mechanical unit arm. D. software. The correct answer is mechanical unit arm. Today's engineers feel that the ultimate solution to the CAD/CAM problem will be A. animation. B. the microprocessor. C. turnkey systems. D. development of a more efficient display controller. The correct answer is the microprocessor. The method of solid modeling that defines the topology of faces, edges, and vertex, as well as data that defines the surface in which each face lies, is called A. constructive solid geometry. B. layering. C. boundary representation. D. isometric. The correct answer is boundary representation. Programming languages currently available for robots. A. may be point-to-point languages. B. require training. C. may allow primitive motion. D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above.